What's up everyone? Today we're going to take a look at the HydroFlask straw and lid cleaning set. It comes in the color that you see here, which is the black, silver, and blue. The blue bristles are nylon bristles. They're pretty durable. And it's pretty much everything you need to clean out your straw and lid on, say, your tumbler or whatever else you have. You can even use them for non-HydroFlask brand items. They do come with a nice shaped ergonomic head there, so you can strategically place your thumb for a good grip. It does come with that little plastic key ring there to keep them together when you're not using them. Let's take a look at some measurements here. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this brush into action. I'm just going to kind of do a quick little soft overview of the different things you can do with this. Cleaning the in and around the mouthpiece, around the threads on the bottle, around the threads on the lid there. You can use them on the coffee lids. It's good if you have caked in stuff right there in those little grooves. That would be probably the only time that I'd really use this detailed brush. Otherwise I just use a regular brush. Again, inside the cap of your lid there and around the threads. You don't really need it to clean that. And here's the straw cleaner in action. It's basically just a what do you call it, like a wire tube cleaner. Anyway, let's see it in action here.
Open up, you OPN, that you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot sketch. The North OPN, take that hot road in my pen.
Alright, you got to see it in action. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. If you have any comments, questions, feel free to leave them. Until next time, y'all have a wonderful day.